In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete cookies on Google Chrome. If you're looking to clear up space or just refresh your browser, deleting cookies is a simple and effective way to do it. Now let's dive right into it. First, let's open Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have it up and running, you'll notice three vertical dots in the top right corner of your browser window. This is your menu icon, and clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options. Go ahead and click on it. In the drop-down menu, you'll want to glance down until you find the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings, and this will take you to Chrome's Settings page, where you can adjust and customize your browsing experience. Now, from the Settings page, look at the left sidebar. Sometimes you may need to scroll down a bit, but somewhere in there, you'll find Privacy and Security. Click on it, and it will bring you to a dedicated section dealing with, just as it sounds, privacy and security settings. These settings control a lot of how Chrome manages your data, including cookies. Within privacy and security, you'll see several options. What you're interested in right now is called Cookies and Other Site Data. Click on that, and it will take you into a more focused area regarding cookies. Scroll through the settings until you come across an option called See All Cookies and Site Data. Clicking here will show you all the cookies stored by the browser. Once you're in, you'll find a button labeled Remove All. Click on Remove All, and you'll be prompted with a confirmation dialog asking whether you're sure you want to delete all cookies. It's always good to be sure, so if you're certain about deleting them, go ahead and confirm. This will clear all the cookies stored in your browser. Remember, doing so may log you out of some websites since cookies often store session information. For those who might want to be more selective and only delete cookies for specific websites, you can scroll through the list and remove cookies one site at a time. Simply use the search bar to find the website you're interested in and remove those cookies individually. This approach provides a more tailored option if you're not interested in a full sweep. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to delete cookies on Google Chrome. Regularly clearing out your cookies helps maintain your privacy and can potentially enhance browser performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.